Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about another price increase for the Model 3 Performance. Like in my previous video, I told you guys that the Tesla eventually increased the price to $54,000 and not too long, and they're doing it already. So let's go through it and take a look, see what kind of stuff or what kind of pricing that Tesla is doing. And like I said, it's very confusing. It used to be like really straightforward, but now they're making all kinds of stuff. All right, so here is the website. Your Tesla, they always have it on lease, so we can just make it go to cash options here. And we just click over to the without the federal tax credit. You can see right here, it's $54,990. It's priced. If Tesla doesn't care about the 7,500 tax credit, this car would have been like at least 65,000, right? But in order for make it qualified, the government set a price cap of $55,000. So that's only $10,000 more, $10 more, and it would make it more over, and it wouldn't qualify. So, like I said, Tesla is very complicated, and they're manipulating with the price and all kinds of making us very confusing. But what they're doing is they increase that $1,000, right? And if you go down to, if you keep all the colors to the same, like stealth gray included, and you go down the interior, now before the white is $1,500, but now check this out, it's included. The fact that it's included means it's free, and it keeps the price under $55,000. And you go all the way down over here, and it still qualifies for the federal tax credit, right? And then you can get this vehicle somewhere in June, so about a month away. But let's go up, and let's say that if you want a different color, let's say you want like $1,000, a white color, right? And you go down, and where is the 7,500 federal tax credit? It's gone. Right? Any other colors still, only you got to stick with the included colors, right? Let's say ultra red right here, $2,000 more. Go all the way down, it's gone. So pretty much what Tesla is doing is increase the $1,000 and give you the free white colors included to make it qualify, right? That's for the performance. But let's go back to other regular Model 3. Alright, so the Model 3, oh yeah, I could have just hit that. You can see here the price is rear wheel drive. Let's make it back. It's $38,000. This is for the rear wheel drive. And included colors there. And this one here, what is the rear wheel drive, we have an option of the 18 or 19 inch. And interior is the white color. Black is included, but if you go with white, it's $2,000. So they increased $500 on that one. And you go all the way down. There's no 7,500 tax credit. So all in all, this goes the same thing for the long range. Long range is $47,740. Same thing. You go down $2,000 if you go to white. Black's included. And you go all the way down. You don't see any federal tax credit for the long range or the rear wheel drive. So it makes sense. So if you get the performance and you qualify for the 7,500, it's as if you're getting like a long range, but which excellent specs. Everything's, you can see there. If you want to add full self driving, 8,000. So again, I think this is the max that they go. I read somewhere, I think on X, that they're saying right now Tesla is testing out a promotion for the people, the Chinese people, where the Model 3 and the Model Y, I think, they can pick either 0% down or 0% APR. So usually Tesla is testing it in another country first, and then they're going to bring it to the United States. So right now we got the 0.99% on the APR and through Tesla. So maybe next month, they'll bring that over, zero down payment as well too. Who knows? Tesla, they have a lot of incentive that they can do, and to lure potential buyers. You know what I mean? And I was one of them too. But like I said, the only thing that I'm happy with Tesla is because I love to drive a car, and I love the speed. If I have the long range, and it's 0 to 60, 4.8 seconds, and to me, it's already fast. But you can't say no to a faster car. So if I want to make it a little bit faster, I can buy the module, and then $2,000 and make it like a performance speed. But that's another story. So here we go. So if you guys, that's pretty much it for this story, guys, for this video. So if you're in the market for a Model 3 performance, now you get the white interior, and you still get the federal tax credit. All right. So like I said, I don't think Tesla will raise the price, go past the $50,000, because otherwise everybody would not be able to get the 7,500 tax credit, unless somehow Tesla would be able to do, I don't know, build all the factories over here, the batteries all of the United States to qualify. But so far, only the performance, and I think that's the highest they will go. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. But thank you. Take care. Be safe. Till next time.